Welcome to Chapter 6 Imagination of the book Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. In this chapter, we will be discussing the power of imagination and how it can be used to achieve great success. Imagination is often thought of as a whimsical and unimportant trait, but in reality, it is one of the most powerful tools we have at our disposal. It is through our imagination that we can envision our goals and come up with creative solutions to problems. Napoleon Hill believed that imagination is the workshop of the mind, where all of our ideas and thoughts are created and refined. He saw imagination as a crucial element in the achievement of success, and believed that it is a skill that can be developed and strengthened through practice. So, how can we harness the power of imagination to achieve success? It all starts with having a burning desire, a clear, specific goal that we are passionate about achieving. This desire acts as the fuel for our imagination, and gives us a sense of purpose and direction. Once we have identified our burning desire, we can use our imagination to visualize ourselves achieving our desired outcome. This involves creating a clear mental picture of what success looks like for us, and imagining ourselves experiencing all of the emotions and sensations associated with achieving that success. But imagination is not just about creating mental pictures. It also involves using our creativity to come up with innovative solutions to problems. By thinking outside the box and considering all the possible options, we can find new and effective ways to achieve our goals. Of course, imagination alone is not enough. We also need to have faith in ourselves and our abilities, and to be persistent in the pursuit of our goals. By staying focused on our desired outcome and believing that we can achieve it, we can overcome obstacles and setbacks and ultimately succeed. So, how can we develop and strengthen our imagination? Hill suggests several techniques, including surrounding ourselves with positive sensory stimuli, such as uplifting music or inspiring artwork, to stimulate our imagination and creativity. Engaging in active daydreaming, where we deliberately allow our minds to wander and imagine different scenarios and outcomes. Using affirmations and positive self-talk to reinforce our belief in ourselves and our ability to achieve our goals. By incorporating these techniques into our daily lives, we can develop a strong and vibrant imagination that will help us achieve success in all areas of life. In conclusion, imagination is a powerful tool that can be used to achieve success in all areas of life. By visualizing our goals, thinking creatively, and staying focused on our desired outcome, we can harness the power of imagination to create a fulfilling and successful life. Thank you for listening to Chapter 6 of Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. We hope that you have found this chapter informative and inspiring, and that you will continue to apply these principles to your own life. Be sure to stay tuned for the next chapter, where we will be discussing the importance of organized planning in achieving success. Thank you for listening to Chapter 6 of Think and Grow Rich. Be sure to subscribe for more audiobook content and stay tuned for Chapter 7.